Women survive on attention. How to kill approach anxiety or anxiety while talking to women. Namaste everyone, how's it going? This is a video which I'm making for men specifically, and I'm gonna put it in the male psyche playlist as of now because I am basically going to talk about how fear grips you while talking to women and a simple trick that you can use to kill that fear. Alright, because a lot of times when males talk to beautiful women, they shit their pants, and again that's not their fault, it's in a way nature, and it's done so also so that to see like how you're going to perform in front of women, like when they're going to test you and they're going to scrutinize you for your confidence, for your masculinity, for your attractiveness. Okay, so what I mean to talk about is today that if you're meeting a woman in person for the first time, but let's say through mutual friends or through social networking, or like through social media, that this is an attractive girl, or she's a girl with a lot of likes on Facebook and stuff, and she's a model or something. When you meet her, you already come with a frame of mind most of the time that you are inferior. Alright, and you come with a frame of mind that she's already a winner and that you are not her equal. What does that do? It's written on your face. You display that to a woman when you're talking to her. You either become cheesy or lack confidence, or are shuffling on your feet while talking to her, or are nervous, or are basically acting stupid in some way or another, because in your mind you have already accepted defeat. And let me give you a kind of a mental experiment or a thought experiment to get a new understanding of how you can master this fear and not worry about it. Okay? You need to understand that there is only one thing which makes a woman feel good about herself, as well as kind of is her lifeline, and that is attention. Attention from society, attention from men, most importantly, attention from other women, fame, power, all of this basically is what is like a lifeline for women. They thrive on it, they survive on it, and you need to think, just for one day, even if it was Kim Kardashian, like one of the world's most attractive women, so to speak, that if she came in a public setting, let's say in a shopping district in London, like on Oxford Street or something, or anywhere where there's a shitload of people, okay, and if she walks through the crowd, normally what would happen? People will notice her, people will give her value, people will give her attention, versus let's say for one day, if only to other people she is invisible, okay, and she walks through a crowd again expecting this attention, this value, which she is going to feed off and feel even better and more hot about herself. But not even one soul looks at her. Not even one person clicks a picture of her. Not even one man turns around to look at who was this girl. What do you think will happen to her in her head? Well, for somebody like Kim Kardashian, who's used to it every day, she'll just think that all of them are stupid, and she'll actually believe this because she's been taken to that level where she thinks that this is granted, like this is for sure, that she's going to get attention. But take the women that you are afraid of to approach them or to talk to them or to text them, and you shit your pants. Imagine those women that if one day they're walking through a crowded street and nobody notices them, nobody looks at them, nobody turns around to see who was that chick. Okay, imagine that woman like that. And even more, imagine her naked. You know, when she should be looking her best, like in a way, because I mean, natural beauty, and if she has a good body, because she most probably will have a good body if you're attracted to a good girl, all right. Imagine her walking naked, where everybody's eyes would normally pop out, but not even one fucking person notices that. Just picture that scenario in your head. You'll fucking laugh, and your fear will melt away. And you'll think like, this is the person I'm shitting bricks for, like in order to speak to her, you know. This is the person I get nervous around when I have to talk to her in person. Or like, I know there's a birthday party coming up in which she will also be there, and you start planning that you want to talk to her, but like you start getting so nervous. And when you're finally there, most of the time, like for most of the time, you will just try to avoid getting into that kind of a situation where you have to confront your fear and speak to her. Because in your mind, she's already superior and she's the winner. Why? Think of her as a nobody. Think of her as, if she walks on the street, if nobody even notices her, then what value does she hold in your head? Most of the time, guys get, you know, they start shitting their pants, and they get scared or nervous talking to girls because they see that those girls get a lot of attention from everywhere else. So they go like, okay, how do I stand out, or how will I be different? Because even, you know, like I need to do something. You don't need to do shit. You just need to be that one guy who doesn't get impacted by the attention that she gets. That one guy to whom it doesn't make a difference whether she's attractive or not, whether how many likes she has on Facebook, or like whether how many people dig her, or if she's a model, or what all has she done in her life. If you're the one guy who talks to her as if none of that makes a difference, you'll need zero game, you'll need zero techniques and strategies and shit like that. And she will be attracted to you for sure, because you're not going to be like everybody else. So next time, if you're thinking of approaching a girl or talking to her, whether you see her on the street or whether it's somebody whom you know and who's attractive, and if you plan on doing something like this, imagine her walking naked in a crowded place and zero people noticing her. Okay? I think it'll help you quite a bit and boost your confidence. Remember that women survive on attention. Think about this, guys, and tell me, what do you think? Is the tip which I'm giving you helpful? Does it make sense that women survive on attention or not? I want to know your thoughts, alright? Because this is a brotherhood, remember that. I want all of us to talk, all of us to become smarter together. See you soon.